Hey everyone, I'm Joseph Q, and I got some of our sweet and smoky competition barbecue sauce, along with our Grandpa Joe's honey chipotle. We're gonna be putting these on some chicken legs. Gonna make some lollipops. Sit down, hang tight. We're cooking something good today. Alright guys, so we got these nice chicken legs here, and this is something I like to do here. It's a little bit fancy, but ultimately what we're going to do is we're going to turn these into chicken lollipops. It's pretty neat. They'll end up standing up like so, and we'll end up taking down about 3/4 of the way here and pushing them down to make them actually look like handles for our lollipops. And I'm going to show you how to do this, so let's get to it. So first things first is you're going to want to trim down the front of this, because as you can see, it doesn't stand too well. So take my nice trusty cleaver here. I'm going to take off the front. Watch your fingers. Alright, now that we got our tops flattened out, we're going to come around and we're going to take our boning knife and we're going to slice right along right about here. And then we're going to push this down and push the tendons down as well. And just make them look pretty like that. We're going to do that to the rest of these, and we're going to get going here. Right, now that your chicken legs are nice and lollipopped up, I'm going to protect these ends from burning by wrapping some aluminum foil around them. And really, this is just all about presentation. The whole concept of the lollipop is really about presentation. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our Grandpa Joe's honey chipotle. This is a nice sweet semi-heat. It's really not a lot of heat, but you get that nice smoky flavor from the chipotle, and it pairs absolutely well with chicken, let me tell you. So just like so, we got to sprinkle this on, and you can go heavy on it. I want to get a nice good coating. Roll it in it there, get it on your ends. Move on to the next one and repeat. Alright, now that we got those all seasoned up, we're going to get these over to the smoker. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm using my Weber Master Touch here, and what I did is I took the charcoal baskets that it comes with and I pushed them together. This is going to be very similar to using like a vortex, but it's going to give you a direct heat. We can lay our drumsticks around the edge. Also, today we're going to be lighting our fire with the Luft lighter. If not lighting with a Luft, I don't know what else you're lighting with. Mm.